Edu. Now you come meet me, tell me say you don't they do pimping work, oh. Hey! Say you don't they arrange a shower for people. I said, okay, let me patronize you as a friend. Edu, why you go arrange man for me as a shower?
Not be juju be that.
I don't tell you the types one I need.
Oh my God.
Okay. So I supposed to tell you the types of a shower I need. Edu, you arrange bansa for me. Keep for who? Today we begin Slichichi birthday. We official Jack Big say we go celebrate and wish happy birthday, long life and prosperity. You arrange man for me as a show. Make I manage this one next time. Who the plan even call you next time? Edu don't cut call.
Hello, come to the bed.
Come where?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Nami fuck up.
Edu, you are the incarnate of 2020.
Oh my God.
Not they ask me where are they, because you are the cause of where I am now. You tell me say that man foul the cheap on the 25th. I reach there, I go buy the foul. You not tell me say the foul na cheap and deadly.
Mumu
Edu, I want kill foul. 25th to chop. Foul from nowhere bring a knife. When me a whole knife. Hey! Foul pursue me, come boys quarter. Are they boys quarter like this? No. Right now, they stranded inside boys quarter. And today na Chris Wilson birthday. I want to wish a happy birthday. And I'm supposed to go in party. Happy birthday to Chris Wilson first of all. Edu, fine way, come carry this foul, come off my parlor. Na military foul. And you not finish. Edu don't cut call.
Sorry, yo.
No, Nami fuck up.
Edu, God never catch you now. The evil things you do cannot be hidden. I did them before yesterday. I received message on my phone. Send 25 to this MTN number to win Range Rover. As my customer care send them, I wrote send 25. Who no want Range Rover? I received another message from that same customer care. Your Range Rover is close to you. Send again. I said, man, dial the number. The number they busy. MTN they busy call.
Oh my God.
Sometimes
You be mumu.
talk in the talk. I say, man, check the number for WhatsApp. Now your head, they provide picture. I'm suing you this time around. I'm not ready for you. Make I send another 25. The Range Rover is close to my gate. What the They do not cut. Jesus!
They never show you say you be mumu. You think say they wise.
No, Nami fuck up.
Right there now.
I do sabinus.
Omo, do this legit spirit drink where give me. Omo, the thing they walk. Oh.
Where now?
What the drink you do now?
The drink, it help relax your mind. It strengthen your veins too. Your manhood will make our strength. Kakaraka. Even you myself, it put someone in the mood.
You mean I'm 100% effective. Oh.
Effective now.
And 30% alcohol. And the people that do home delivery for here will be Lagos too. So you do how we go do for the girl where they arrange for me. Now be saying na fire for fire.
The girl one day herself. I'm not sure say she go fit make a move. See na month end she go fit come.
You think say
Na
they
the
wise.
month end she go fit come. Na salary she be. Abi?
You be mumu.
Edu, I don't understand. You gave me legit spirit drink that you know that is 100% effective. Now see what is happening in between my leg.
Not be juju be that.
So I go leave this in the month end. Abi? And they talk, they come up from gate. Edu?
And they never leave. Left.
No, Nami fuck up.
Sabinus,
Edu, how far now?
I do.
Edu, come.
What happen?
Edu, see, wetin dey happen for the house now? These days, your mama and papa just their love just increase. So, even for night self, the way they do the thing these days, they pay for the thing. I know say me, I mean they receive the pain as soon as next door neighbor. Hey, wetin dey happen for the house?
Sabinus, you know say na Ijinle Haba Africa my father days.
Ijinle Haba Africa.
Yes, na.
Wetin the thing dey work?
It dey help for penis enlargement. It dey cure low sperm count.
Eh? What of sexually transmitted infections?
Smart thing now. That one dey cure am sharp.
You mean am?
You no get side effect, and na 100% herbal.
What about poor ejaculation?
All these things where they talk. Now small thing for where you dey.
Hey!
Sharp.
No wonder your mama these days they smile.
Hey!
Hey!
Sabinus, I know say you self you need that one.
Now what I go do now? I don't say 1 minute don't kill me. That last girl wake up before she go even reach my house. I don't come.
Oh my God.
Sabinus.
I don't know whether I could give me the jingle Haba Africa, make me and you the wash body.
You think say they wise?
I go give you shy. You know, say you my man.
But you know, say the problem now is say I don't get any girl now to use next time, so I don't know whether you go fit arrange for me.
I go do it for you.
You can arrange girl.
Sharp.
Sharp.
You trust me now.
Come. I received call from one fine girl.
Jennifer, Abi?
Yeah, Jennifer, yes.
And I wish give her your number, make she call you.
Now you arrange them.
Hi,
they do. But problem they
what's it be that?
The guy says she from where they come Lagos here.
Now where is she the she on the gun now?
You tell her make him book boat, Uber, from Owerri to Lagos.
For comfort.
For comfort. Who they pay for the transport?
Who they knock the girl where they come?
I mean they knock.
Now you they pay now.
I
don't understand. You tell girl to pay Uber from Owerri to Lagos. As how? Say wetin happen.
Now you want knock and I jingle about.
No, I want knock my future. I want knock my destiny. Edu, how you go tell girl to enter Uber from Owerri to Lagos and the girl do already?
How much be the Uber man?
Did you show 238,000 naira?
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.
Edu,
Sabinus.
how you doing now?
I dey fine.
Edu, I beg, if you find me powder beg. I want to rush go today. I'm gonna get the official license, so I want to go wish her long life and prosperity because we will start to share the rice this morning. So I won't rush.
You know that we miss the rice, so.
Now who can give you laps now?
This man.
This one get me too.
Nah, my girlfriend though. That let my girl what things I catch the other day.
You see the full arm?
That girl, I don't know. This girl they go carry meat come. As I do, I ask her say which lap of chicken day like this. Now she say na vulture. Hey! So now I want go throw away so.
You don't throw away the vulture or what? Explain now. Talk to me.
You be
Now the
mumu.
vulture now you dey chop like this.
Not be juju be that.
Like this early morning, na vulture. Why you start?
The vulture wey you dey chop. You don't ask me, I just collect the thing you chop.
I not ask you. You know me.
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.
Yeah, Richie Lily. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity from your friend Sabinus. Yes, I want to wish you happy birthday. Yes, I'll call you back. Hey, fine girl. Hello, my friend. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
How you there now?
I'm fine.
Wait, I don't know about any time we want find angel back into this compound. I guess it's the first time I'm seeing you.
Yes, I came to see my friend. She stays down.
Okay, that girl.
Yes.
That one wawa now.
This
That one
man.
wawa. Everybody for this compound wawa. That just me we try small. Yeah.
You know, the last time I came, I saw you.
You saw me?
Yes, and you're handsome.
70 years old man. You be mumu.
I'm handsome.
Yes.
Me, Sabinus. I be person there my back when they talk to. No, don't be say I don't know say I'm handsome. I don't be say my which I'd expect never come. I just the thing. So I don't know if you could give me your number. No talk.
Okay, then.
Yes.
No problem.
So call it for me now.
070
070
22
22
Sabinus.
Edu, who call you now? Now, wait, person they progress for life. Who call you?
Sabinus, I get message for you.
My friend, please call the number, please. Let's continue.
3.
Sabinus.
Eh?
I say I get message for you.
I dey hear. Edu, what happened?
Landlord send message say I give you. He say may pack her comot from the house. Say for the past 3 years where you don't dey for the house, he never pay rent.
But you see me with person here.
He good as this girl even dey here, Sabinus.
He good as this girl dey here. Edu, evil things. Things of the world. Now they like do.
Take the
My
letter.
friend, please complete the number for
Take
me.
the
Don't
letter.
mind this guy. Complete the number for me. 0.
Now, wow. You know, even get house, they find love. Hey! Where you want me to first stay now, they play the love. Eh?
Hello, my friend.
Chai!
Edu. No message where they go where. Edu, but not be my name there right here now. Not be my name now. The next name or name there for this put notice now. Jesus is Lord.
Ah, Sabinus. No verse, so no verse. You know, is there anything pertaining house rent and quick notice?
Na your matter it always be. So no vex. Ma go house go bring your own. May no be like say you no get your own. Ma go house go bring your own later.
You do anything wey concern quit notice and answer na me. You
Oh, sorry, oh. May God not allow them.
No, na me fuck up.